does everything always have to take so much maintenance? Yeah, there's nothing else I'd rather be doing on my weekend than doing wheel bearings.
It's not even your own trailer.
I know. Hey.
Hey, what do you got going on?
Well, now we're trying to do seals for the trailer.
Yeah, because we're going to take care of the bearings, wheel bearings. We're going to get them cleaned out,
Yep. And
inspected.
Seal's not wanting to participate today.
You just get rough with it.
Yeah, and then while I'm kind of doing this, you're getting ready to do the generator oil change?
Showed them the generator's warming up. It's been running long enough. I'm going to go ahead and get everything we need to do an oil change. You're going to get the parts clean. We got some parts cleaner. Yeah, green, eco-friendly stuff. Yeah. All right. So it doesn't work as good as regular parts cleaner.
No.
That's what we got. All right.
Yes, after this, we still got 3 more of them.
3 more. Yeah. You best get busy.
Find a trick on this one and then the rest.
Yeah, you'll get it figured out. All right.
Well, some good success. Couldn't get enough ugga-duggas by hand, so I put a wrench over that, twisted it, and thing popped right out.
All right. Pull that bearing out. You gonna put gloves on or get dirty?
Probably should put gloves on.
All right. Yeah.
But hey, now we know.
All right.
Well, it turns out your environmentally green cleaning solvent, water-based, it doesn't work very well.
It's just not getting it, is it?
There's still a lot of schmoo in there. So we're going to get out the may give you cancer in California kind of stuff. And
first aid's right on the bottle, first thing.
And all the hazards and what you should do that we're not going to do. And hopefully they'll eat right into this stuff.
All right. Yeah, we got to get these bearings clean. We ain't got all day for green.
No.
Okay, we got another coffee can. Let's go.
Put a lid on it and use it again.
Yeah, we do have a parts washer. But
well, we did. Well, I guess we do have one, don't we?
We're just not using it for some reason. All right, get those bearings clean, Ricky. All right, this is the easy way to jack up a tandem axle trailer. Go ahead. Keep going. Stop. There you have it. Now I can repair the wheel. Welcome back to Track and Travel with Rick, and today on our Featherite Light trailer we are doing the wheel bearings. And so we've got her raised up on a jack. We're going to knock the bearing buddies off. There we go. Find the cotter pin. Here's paper towels, Ricky. Just a second. Put some gloves on. See what we got. There it is. So we've done one already, and that went pretty smooth, didn't it, Ricky?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little messy, but it's to be expected.
That's wheel bearings. We got a big road trip, 900 miles round trip in just a few days. So as Ricky pointed out, the week before is not the right time to be doing preventive maintenance. He's not wrong. Yeah, this one wants to fight. There we go.
Finally got it.
Yeah, so this was about 1.25 inches. Get some paper towels for that. Castle nut. There's a little washer in here, and there we go. Let's take it in the shop, and that's our bearing right in the dirt. Okay, it's a good thing we're inspecting this. This seal has obviously blown out and has grease everywhere inside that brake drum. So we're gonna have to do a lot of cleanup. I've got some solvent. We'll take all these components, wipe the excess grease off, drop them in the solvent. This particular model is taking 412-920 seal. And we purchased 4 of those today. Don't drop your stuff in the gravel. We'll get it good and clean, not a big deal. All right, let's let that soak. Ricky, you're gonna pop that seal out for me, and then we're gonna get that drum clean. And the other bearing is behind that seal. And hopefully the bearings are still good.
Well, we got the first one done, and actually I'm pretty smooth. But I was kind of against wanting to do this, but you were right. This seal's blown out.
Inspect your wheel bearings, folks. And we're gonna knock this seal out, clean this mess up. There's your...
Yeah, well, after this, 2 more and...
Yeah, we'll have it.
Yep.
Get after it. Okay, so Ricky, my electrician, is gonna now be a mechanic.
So, just trying to put some force on it by hand, doesn't get it. So I found getting your wrench on it, giving it a twist, and it slowly starts to...
Is it popping it out?
Yep.
There you go. Nice. Not putting excessive pressure on the bearings, so we're not worried about that. Yeah, kind of too bad this thing is grease everywhere.
There's
All right, just throw that away. See what this bearing looks like. It's one thing I'm not a fan of these bearing buddies is the excessive amount of grease, but they do work, so we're going to keep using them. Okay, you got a lot of work to do there. This grease looks like it's shot.
Yeah. All right.
All right. All right, we got the bearings cleaned, inspected, everything looks good. Pack the bearing with grease. Cedar down there. And we'll get the seal on. Just pound this on with a block of wood. Key is the direction of the seal. That thin one there is the dust seal. That is the grease seal, and it points towards the inside to hold the grease in. So you do want to get a little bit of grease on the seal itself. Shoot that wood. There it is.
Could also use a seal driver or a press. There's a press there right behind you, but I could be wrong.
We should use the press and the seal driver kit we have?
Sure.
Yeah. That would make sense. A little bit more cleanup and we'll have this and get her back on the trailer. All right. Well, pop the hub on. I put a little bit of grease around where the seal's going to go. Just rotate it, slides on. And where's my bearing? Left the bearing in the shop?
Oh, maybe.
Get the bearing in there. We got a washer, a nut, grease everywhere, of course. See that. So the key is you've got to got to seat the bearing. That doesn't sound good.
The cotter pin just kind of holds that all in place.
Yeah. It's not going anywhere. Get your bearing buddy cap.
Just kind of tap that into place then.
Yeah. Add some grease with the grease gun. Ideally, we'll add grease until the bearing buddy starts pushing out against the spring load. But I'm going to finish and then I'm going to go around and grease them all in the final when we're done. So let's get the wheel back on, Ricky.
Why does everything always have to take so much maintenance?
Keeps you from having to go out and have fun in your life.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there's nothing else I'd rather be doing on my weekend than doing wheel bearings.
It's not even your own trailer.
I know.
One more. Getting good at this.
Yeah. I have it knocked down to like 20 minutes.
Well, the hardest part of this whole thing was actually finding the right bearing seal, and luckily after pulling the hub off there was a number on there and we were able to get the parts we needed. It's pretty simple on a trailer using these this plastic jack wedge. That's pretty slick, huh? It's the first time we've done that. I've seen it, I've never tried it before, so that worked pretty well. Yeah, if you like what you see, like, subscribe. Any questions, love to talk to you in the comments. Yeah, just hit me up and I'll help you out. See you next time.